How to use food stamps on Instacart? Follow these instructions. Open Instacart app or website, go to Account Settings, tap Add EBT SNAP card, enter your card number and save it. Go to Settings and turn on Show EBT Eligibility to see which items in the store are allowed with your SNAP benefits. Pick a store that accepts EBT, like ALDI or Publix, and make sure the EBT badge is shown on the store before shopping. Add food items with EBT labels such as fruits, vegetables, milk, bread, and snacks. Don't add hot food or alcohol. Go to Checkout, choose your EBT card for food items, and add a debit or credit card to pay for extra fees or other items. Choose how much SNAP balance you want to use, review the order details, and enter your EBT PIN to confirm payment. Place your order. Your bank card will be used to pay for delivery, tips, taxes, and anything not covered by SNAP. Thank you for watching.